Welcome to my video. So today I was we started.
Go. So today what?
We started.
Okay.
To my video. Today we're gonna speak Tagalog.
Bisaya?
Oh, Bisaya. Bisaya.
Sige, today.
Yes.
Say in Bisaya, I love you. Gihigugma.
Gihiguma.
Tika.
Tika.
And next. Grandma, you're beautiful. Lola.
Hulula.
Lola.
Gua.
Lola.
Lula.
Grandma, Lola.
Lula.
Guapa ka.
Kelama. Lula.
Guapa.
Kelapa.
Say again. Lola. In Visaya, your nose is flat. Imong.
Imo.
Imong.
Imo.
Ilong.
Imo.
Lisngag.
What?
Lisngag.
Iris ka.
Imong.
Pero, huh?
Imong ilong.
Imo.
Imong ilong. Imong ilong.
Imog. Imog.
Imong
Imog.
ilong.
Imog.
Lisngag.
Where's knock?
Next. You're fat. What in Bisaya?
Ko. Pista. S-O-C-K-S. Boom.
Your tambok. Ge, tambo ka. Si tambo ka.
Tambuka. Tambuka.
Let's eat. Mangaon na ta.
Huh?
Mangaon na ta.
Maaong.
Sige na, mangaon.
Maaong.
Mangaon.
Maaong.
Ta. Mangaon ta.
Maaong ta.
Ha? Tidor. Sunod. Let's cook. Magluto ta.
Marutok ta.
Magluto ta.
Malukok ta. I'm not trying my best. I'm trying my best. And Dad keeps burping. Dad has puss in his burps.
Okay, go.
Swam.
Thank you.
Swam.
You're welcome.
Watch the banana.
Good job.
Yeah.
Sige, bye na.
Bye. Forget to like. Now Jed's turn.
Okay.
Okay, my turn? My turn.